Hello, everybody. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to calculate the discriminant. All right, as you can see, the formula for discriminant is b squared minus 4ac. There's only three things you need to know. When you calculate your discriminant, if it's a positive number, you will have two real solutions. If it's going to equal 0, you'll have one real solution. If it's a negative number, you'll have two imaginary solutions. All right, let's look at our first example. I'm going to go ahead and label my A, which is 10, B, which is -7, C, which is 1. And then when I plug it into the formula that says b squared minus 4ac, I will plug in -7 squared, because that's my B, minus 4 times 10, because that's my A, times 1, because that's my C. When I type that in the calculator, it equals 9. So my discriminant is 9. And as you can see, that's a positive number. So since it's a positive number, I'm going to have two real solutions. And that's it. Let's do another example. All right, my A is 3, my B is that imaginary -1, and my C is 5. I'll plug it into the formula. -1 parentheses squared minus 4 times 3 times 5. When I type that in the calculator, it equals -59. So therefore, my discriminant is -59. And going back to my chart, since my solution was a negative number, that means I will have two imaginary solutions. And that's it. And by the way, we already kind of knew that because you know when you take the square root of like a negative number, like let's say it's -9, you guys already know you have to take out I. And then since 9 is a perfect square, it'll be plus or minus 3i. That's why it's saying two imaginary solutions, because you get an I whenever you're taking the square root of a negative number. But anyway, our last example. My A is 2, my B is 8, and my C is 8. When I plug it in the formula, I'll have 8 squared minus 4 times 2 times 2. And when I put that in the calculator, it equals 0. So my discriminant is 0. If I go back to my chart, if my solution is 0, that means I have one real solution. And that's it.